Hey, budding artists! Ready to dive into a creative adventure today? Let's get those creative gears going and draw a triangle puppet together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusted black marker and don't forget your scale. It's time to explore. First off, let's begin by crafting a lively triangle shape using 3 straight lines. Now, let's add a bit of playful charm by rounding off those corners. Want to make it pop? Add another line to give it that captivating 3D effect. To give it more character, let's divide our triangle into 6 equal parts. Now, let's bring our triangle to life. Within each of these divided sections, draw small circles. These circles will be our popping elements. 1 circle in the first part, 2 in the second, 3 in the third, continuing this pattern up to 7 circles in the final section. These circles will make our triangle pop. Time to make those lines stand out. Let's emphasize and sharpen the outline, making it bold and giving our creation that polished finish it deserves. Let's splash some colors now. Grab your color pens and get ready. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Awesome!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Wow, incredible work, little artists! You've crafted an amazing triangle poppet with so much flair and imagination. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep enjoying your creative journey. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.